Hello and welcome to Top 5 Watershed Moments. Number 5.
Pretend you're talking to me.
We are talking to you.
Bruh.
This is funny haha moment. Fourth number. This is funny haha moment.
Before we go on to number 3, remember to like in the likes section. And rate 5 stars and remember to following the subscription. Funny epic.
Number 3.
He's trying to attack us. Let's just send in the cavalry.
Uh-oh.
You think I might win this one?
Stinky.
Judging from what I'm seeing right here, here's way less troops than you.
Oh, we're shooting arrows. Wait, what's really going down? Why did they all die?
Poopies, la
You
la
see how
la
they're
la.
changing the formation? If we
Funny
go to
poo.
inverse arrow formation, you might have a chance against archers.
Whee!
Okay?
Yay for poopy,
Alright.
good poopy.
You think they might win against the
Poopy
archers?
funny,
Yeah.
Alright, they're blocking with their shields.
Poop,
Oh,
poop,
we're going down.
poop, poop, funny,
Wait, we're actually
yay,
winning.
fun, fun, poop.
Let's go! Hit this thing,
Poop,
run it, win.
poopy, yay, poop make me happy, happy, happy. Uh-oh. I think I made a poopy. Pooping pants, no diaper, that's funny. Oopsie. Poopy underwear now. We want poopies. We want poopies.
This is funny haha moment.
Bruh, look at this dude.
My name is Jeff.
This is funny haha moment.
Whoa! That was awesome. Well done.
My name is Jeff.
Bruh.
This is funny haha moment.
What are you doing, Dave?
Launching Doritos crackers, Janet.
This is the worst video I think I've watched.
Are you okay?
Oh my god! What? You never played Tuber Simulator? You know it's fun, right? I'm not supposed to give my opinion, but give it a try, and then you can tell me if it's good or not. Not convinced yet? Okay. I'll cut you a deal. The game is available for free, and that's a great price.